A beginner's guide to Fidelity DRIP is a great way to learn about investing in the stock market. Fidelity DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and it allows investors to automatically reinvest their dividend payments into additional shares of the same stock. To get started with Fidelity DRIP, you first need to open a Fidelity brokerage account. This can be done online or over the phone. Once your account is open, you can fund it with money and begin buying stocks that pay dividends. When a stock you own pays a dividend, Fidelity will automatically reinvest the dividend payment into additional shares of the same stock, as long as you have enrolled in the DRIP program. This allows you to take advantage of compounding, which can help your investments grow over time. For example, if you own 100 shares of a stock that pays a quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share, you will receive $50 in dividend payments each quarter. If you are enrolled in the DRIP program, Fidelity will use the $50 to buy additional shares of the same stock, rather than sending you a check. One of the best things about Fidelity DRIP is that it allows you to invest small amounts of money at regular intervals, which can help reduce the impact of market volatility. It also helps you avoid the temptation to try to time the market, which can be a costly mistake. To enroll in the Fidelity DRIP program, simply log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the account settings page. From there, you can select the stocks you want to enroll in the DRIP program, and Fidelity will take care of the rest. It is also important to keep in mind that not all stocks are eligible for the DRIP program, so be sure to check the eligibility of any stock before you buy it. Additionally, some stocks may have a minimum balance requirement or other restrictions, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before enrolling. In conclusion, Fidelity DRIP is a great way to invest in the stock market, especially for beginners. It allows you to take advantage of compounding, reduce the impact of market volatility, and invest small amounts of money at regular intervals. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with Fidelity DRIP and start building wealth over time.